Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, I don't know why I looked at myself, but I looked cute. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, please like, subscribe, and you know the deal. I do this with everyone who click on my page for the first time, so don't be feeling some type of way, but don't make me feel some type of way. Click the notification bell so you be notified every time I post a video after you subscribe. I was supposed to say subscribe and then click the notification bell, but you get the point. Click the subscribe button either here or here so you be notified every time I post a video. If you are my return subscriber, hey, how you doing? Thank you so much for helping me reach 8,000 subscribers. This is amazing. I truly appreciate y'all. You are smart, you are loyal, and you guys are motivating. Thank you so much. Today's video is going to be a natural hair type of video slash not so natural hair video, okay? Before I show this box, I'm just gonna say, if you are a natural girl like me, this is coconut oil glycerin on the box. I was contacted by a company called Sassina. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the name of this company right, but it's Sassina Hair. And this company is well known for their clip-ins, and they contacted me wanting to collaborate, and I was like, hey, what up? We can collaborate, come on. And they sent me some nice goodie. Ooh, they sent me a comb. This is the first company that sent me some comb. Okay. Well, that kind of hurt. I went in too deep. They sent me a nice little pink comb. I like this. They also sent me some mink lashes. Okay, look at this, y'all. It's a little bit on the cheap side, but it's fine. It looks cute, doesn't it? Look, I'm definitely gonna wear that later. And the hair that they sent me was their Kinky curly one bundle. Now you're wondering, what are you gonna do with one bundle? I can do a lot with one bundle. They were supposed to send me clip-ins, but I kind of didn't want clip-ins because I wasn't sure how many clip-ins they're gonna send me. So I told them if it's okay if they can send me a bundle. So they decided to send me a bundle. Along with that, I had to go to the beauty supply store and buy my own clip-ins, which was a bad idea. I should have just accepted for clip-ins, but anyway, I had to buy my own clip-ins. So this is going to be me showing you guys how I do this and turn this hair into a clip-in. As far as like the hairstyle, I wanted to try something different with my natural hair slash clip-in. So I wanted to do this style right here. This was my inspired look. I wanted to do a taper cut. So this is gonna be my first time doing a taper cut. I don't know how it's gonna end up looking, but hopefully we look good, we look blessed, and the style is A1. And as far as the video, I'm gonna transfer this over to a voiceover because I know I'm not gonna be talking like this forever. It's gonna turn my video to probably 30 minutes. It's not what y'all want from me. So we're gonna turn over to the voiceover. Voiceover is the voiceover, is the voiceover, voiceover, voiceover. Let me stop. But these are all the equipment that I used during this process. I'm gonna say it's a process because it was a process, okay? I was going to sew this clip-in tank in, but I changed my mind because I was like, this is taking too dang long. So I was like, nah, bro, we not about to do that. We gonna hot glue this because I hot glue my wigs. So what makes you think I'm gonna sew my clip-ins on? Like, you tripping, bro. That's a lot. That just takes too long. I wasn't feeling it. But this process right here, I left this on because I wanted to show you two ways you can do this. For me, this didn't work because I felt like my clip-ins weren't going to be secure enough. So I decided to work with one track. A lot of people like to glue their tracks together, but for me, if you have short hair like mine, I wouldn't recommend it because it won't look as realistic. So yeah, the smartest way you can go is wait until your hot glue gets super, super hot, like really, really hot, for your clip-in to stay on the track, or else it's gonna start coming off. So you have to wait for your hair, for the hot glue, not your hair, but your hot glue to get pretty hot before you start clipping, okay? Wait for that. Don't just start clipping. You gotta wait. So this is how it's gonna look like. If you don't have lotion on your hands, I highly recommend you go put the lotion on. But on this part, I was trying to separate the part where I was gonna put the clip-ins and the part where I was gonna lay my hair back. As far as like, you know, either slick it back, or you could either slick your hair back or you can like curl it up. Me, I was trying to slick it back because I wanted to make the hairstyle look neat. But the way my hair is set up, it's growing back. So I can't just slick part of my hair back without it, you know, curling back up. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, we were just struggling. So right now you're just going to watch me, you know, waste half a minute or two, you know, just embarrass myself. Yeah, you gonna watch this part. You can't skip it either. You gotta watch it. So this is where the big handy dandy pink comb came in handy. Get it? No? Okay. This step is really important if you want your taper cut to look a lot natural. What I did was I combed out the curls just to give it that natural look. You could choose to leave the curls the way it was, but for me, I wanted to make it look so natural because the sides, my natural hair, the ones that I try to, you know, slick down, it didn't look, you know, neat, you know, so I had to comb that out to make it look like, yo, we need a shape up, you know, type of look. The clip-ins, y'all, this is my first time doing clip-ins, so I struggled doing this clip-ins, which means if this is your first time putting clip-ins on your short hair, your tiny little curl, your tiny little afro, you're gonna struggle. But if you are a pro and you just got it, get it, go, you're not gonna struggle. But for me, it was my first time because I was trying to get the clip-ins to like actually to get the clip to clip, if I'm making sense. So I kind of did struggle. But what I did was I tried to go to like a circle type of way. Excuse me, y'all, I just ate. I always eat before I do something. I don't know why. But I try to make it like a, you know, when you like do quick weave, if you've seen quick weave tutorials, they always go in circles until they get to the top and they do like a little, you know, a circle closure motion, if that making sense. Yeah, I try to do that with this clip-ins. I try to do the circle method, and then once I got to the top, it was a struggle. We lost the clip, but it's okay. Even though we lost this clip, it's all right, okay? You're gonna lose some clips if you do this clip on yourself. It's okay. It's okay. Don't give up. You got it. You got it. Okay, this hairstyle is going to be yours. You're going to own it if you keep going. But yeah, we got it together. I got to the middle. I clipped that up just to close the rest of the, you know, the scene track, I guess. And yeah, this is how it looks. Even if the wind blows, you'll be okay. And it looks a lot natural, don't you think? I think it looks a lot natural. So this part is very, very important. You want to make sure that the scissors is pointing downwards, not across, downward, if I'm saying the word right. Because it's going to give you the uneven cut, and that's what you want. You don't want the look to be even. You want your cut to be uneven, which will give you a natural look. We're all about the natural look, okay? You want this hairstyle to be natural as possible. Okay, that's the key to this hairstyle. So yeah, I used the scissors and then I went in with my razor comb, I guess you want to call it. I don't know what you call this thing. But I went in with that, and this thing was pretty sharp. I wasn't expecting it to be this sharp. And I decided to layer the rest of the part where I felt was just too much. And when you do that, you're basically making the look to look a lot natural than usual. So yeah, that's what I did. That's the key. The scissors and the circle around the hair method and the clips. You know what? Just keep watching, okay? I'm asked, how do I define my curls? Well, if your hair is a lot shorter than how mine is in this video, I highly recommend you to use this sponge thing, which works a lot better if your hair is a lot shorter. I have to let go of it because my hair is growing back. Anyways, this is how the hair looks. As far as the company, I like it. Like, the hair texture for this company was really well. Like, and I've done curly hair before, but something about this curly hair feels a lot different than the other curly hair that I've touched in the past. It's kind of weird to say that because it's somebody, I don't know, but yeah, the hair company is really nice. If you want the clips already on the track, they also do that. The hair with the clips already done, I think it comes in 7 tracks. But if you want to do the clips yourself, you can do up to 17 clip-ins or clips or clip-ins. I don't know. But this hair was really nice. I had to take it to Snapchat because I wanted y'all to see it on my Snapchat. So if you have me on Snapchat, you saw it first. If you don't, add me. I will leave the company information down below. All the Instagram, where you can purchase the hair, all that good stuff down below. I hope you guys like this tutorial just as much as I enjoy doing it for y'all. This hair is cute. I look cute. Okay, I look cute. But everything else, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.